Good day mga kabengbeng, welcome to Mr. Yuhay Pabi. So, quick review lang po tayo ng ating unit. At syempre meron tayong previous na cup. Yan, so meron tayong previous na mug. Yan, napaka-solid. So meron po tayong Facebook and YouTube channel. And meron din tayong isa pang Facebook page na Mr. Yuhay PH. And ito yung ating Facebook and YouTube channel. Yan, pa-subscribe na rin po. And follow. Click the button and subscribe my YouTube channel. Yan. Thank you. At syempre ito po yung ating unit na WE High Kappa T-Rex color silver. And also may available din po tayo nito na color black. Yan. And then syempre may previous po tayo ng sticker din. Owner's manual. Yan. And then magazine capacity 30 rounds. So may BB Senkas na po yan. Nilagyan ko na rin ng lubricant silicone oil sa inlet and outer valve. No? Yan. So 0.23 yung gamit ko. So tetest pa natin. Yan. So ito po yung unit. Napaka-solid. Ganda. Always trigger finger out. Toy only. Quick review lang po tayo. May magwell. Non-slip. Staple grip. Full metal. Mula slide and frame. Nisration, naka fiber optic, front and rear sight, naka ambidextrous safety. Yan. Yan, so tetest pa natin itong unit. Yan. So pasok magazine, clicking sound, kasa, release. Always trigger finger out, toy only. Test fire. Yan, so next slide na po siya. Ibig sabihin wala na po siyang bibis or bala. No? Yan, so release natin yung magazine. Yan, so release natin yung slide. Press the trigger, then hammer down. Thank you po sir. Thank you sa mag-a-avail po nitong unit na to, the WE High Kappa T-Rex color silver. Thank you.